In today's digital age, businesses operate at a blistering pace and they expect nothing less from their distributors. This can feel like quite a challenge for warehouse industry professionals, where constant evolution is the only viable option for them to survive. In fact, the days of implementing an out-of-the-box mobility solution has long passed for the distribution industry, simply because it does not allow for the flexibility that your business requires on a daily basis. Then again, what if your technology could actually become your greatest asset practically overnight? At Advanced Mobile Group, we take a completely different approach to your enterprise mobility needs by designing custom solutions from the ground up that maximize your investment and your warehouse's overall productivity. How? AMG understands that you have a unique environment that requires a unique solution. That's why we design unique enterprise solutions that are tailored to each of our clients' actual work sites and remain by your side with the best support desk and real-time monitoring features on the planet. We take this approach to give you a distinct edge in the marketplace today while seamlessly adapting for tomorrow, which allows you to keep receiving an outstanding return on investment far into the future. Contact us today to learn how Advanced Mobile Group can give you the competitive edge in mobility. www.advancedmobilegroup.com 215-489-2538.